Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting video. It's not any technical one today, but as I'll show you something, today is 14th February. Keep that in mind, it will come later. As most of you, all of you don't know, in 2 days it is my car's 1 year birthday, and I have this great checklist, obviously, which is called a plan for the car's 1 year birthday. So I have done this all by myself. So let's go over the plan first. It is 5 step plan, and the second and third step is divided into 4 parts because to make it easier. And you can see this box is kind of a checklist, and you may wonder why I have cancelled this plan. So first I wrote plans for car's 1 year birthday, and then I cancelled it and wrote it the pilot's way. Checklist for car's 1 year birthday. And so here it is. So number one on the checklist, road trip to village. So I have this road trip planned to my village. It's a picturesque property outside of Bangalore. It's 128 kilometers away. And I won't show the house because it doesn't have a lot of good details. But it's still a good house with a great view. And the trip is going to be ticked off as soon as we leave from the house tomorrow. And then satin tape decoration. If you are maybe wondering what the heck is satin tape, then I'm going to show you. This is satin tape, and that is going to be put in 4 different locations: on the bonnet, which is the front part, on the steering wheel, on the handbrake, on the gear. For the handbrake, gear and the steering wheel, the three satin tapes are right here. I'm gonna tie it tomorrow. But for the bonnet, I require a larger and longer tape, so I'm going to the store tomorrow to buy it. So that is on the satin tape decoration. Glitter cloth decoration. The glitter cloth is something which adds the look to the car. I can't show it because it's going to be a surprise look. So that is for 4 doors: door 1, door 2, door 3, door 4. And then the fourth one is confetti, like the confetti popper one which you pop. And the confetti is not going to be done in here, but it's going to be done in my village. And all of these decorations, like the satin tape, glitter cloth, is done. Everything is ready here, so I'm gonna just tie it tomorrow and then leave for my village. But coming to the confetti, I'll pop it in my village only because the first birthday of my car is somewhere outside. I want to make the best of it. And then happy birthday sign. I've done this all by myself. I've done the work of 45 minutes, 45 plus minutes. I'm going to show it on camera now. So here it is, happy birthday sign. Happy birthday 1 year old, it says. And if you see, the old is in dark blue color. It's actually the color of my phone cover. It's called the dark blue color. So I've done it here, and this is it. Now coming to the things which I've told you right now, and to recreate that moment, I'm gonna be wearing this shirt only, as on the delivery day I wore this shirt only. And you can see this picture here, that is me in that same purple shirt, and the red thing behind is the car cupboard. But I can't recreate that moment of the cover pulling up and popping confetti because of two reasons. One, you can't get a red cover glowing one anywhere except the showroom. And you may ask, why don't you go and ask there only? Well, those things are not for your everyday dust protection. Those are just for car deliveries only, and they won't give it to us. Now, the second thing is, on the day which they pull the cover and they pop the confetti, I was pulling the cover with my dad and my uncle. My mom was at work that day, she couldn't come, so we three pulled the cover and then they pop confetti. And that is the second reason, because I want to be the one to pop confetti. But if I don't pull the cover, it's not going to recreate that moment, so I won't be pulling that cover also. Now, coming to the confetti, you can see confetti. Me popping. I'm thinking of a way. One way is my family member. One of my family members can hold it, and then I pop the confetti. it spreads all over the car. So that is going to be one way to do it. And in 2 days there is going to be called something called a grand reveal, which shows just the small features like the satin tape, glitter cloth. But stay tuned in 2 days for the entire birthday video, which shows the great look of the car. So that's it for today. I am having everything under control. So if I just execute this checklist just per how I planned it, it's going to be great. And see you in 2 days. And don't forget to tune in 2 days. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And stay tuned for my car's 1 year birthday on YouTube.